Suicide is still a taboo topic, but with a number of young Australians taking their own lives at the highest level in a decade, one school is tackling the issue head-on. Stephanie Dalzell explains.
When Nick Newling was at school, he used to imagine how he would end his life.
There were certainly times where I was just so frustrated. I didn't see any possible positive future ahead of me.
After being diagnosed with bipolar disorder and receiving treatment, Nick is now back in the classroom. This time, he's leading the discussion.
Hi, I'm Nick.
Nick Newling has teamed up with Blue Mountains Grammar School to promote mental health and well-being among students.
I think personal stories are so important because it really marries the reality of mental illness with a human experience.
And it's the reality for many students, with suicide rates among young people at their highest level in 10 years.
There is a huge stigma around it, and I think the sooner we get rid of that and the sooner our generation and all generations start talking about it, the better.
We all know someone who struggles with mental illness, if not ourselves, so it's really hits close to home.
It's also close to home for Deputy Principal Adam Osborne. He's lost 11 students over 15 years.
The issue of suicide has been one that hasn't been talked about at all. And this negative connotation of suicide is carrying over this generation. So I believe we need to make a mark in the sand, so to speak.
How a student's mental welfare is addressed can also depend on where they go to school. Experts say private schools are generally doing a better job dealing with student wellbeing compared to public schools, leading to calls for a national curriculum on mental health and suicide.
It's time we had a serious national conversation right across our school system.
A conversation that will require some courage. Stephanie Dalzell, ABC News.